Well, it looks like the snow is finished for now. The vehicles are buried. I'm a bit out of breath. I just dug a hole here. I'll show you the depth of this in a minute. Okay, there's my Leatherman, which measures 9 inches. There's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 inches of snow. Got 13 inches of snow. It's not a killer storm, but 13 is nothing to laugh about overnight. The trees are covered. Everything's very white. Snow can be quite pretty. Piled on really thick. This is an evergreen just bent right over from the weight of the snow. There was a lot of people who had power outages last night, but this area did not suffer. Well, here's the snow piled up behind a truck. To give you an idea, it's just a giant snow heap. It's all the way up to the bumper. My car is going to take some work to get out. I won't be going anywhere for a while.